Hello kids and teacher, I am teacher Aldrin and welcome to my numeracy vlog. Today, I will show you two fun numeracy materials that help children learn numbers and shapes in a fun and easy way. So let's start. Number wheel. This is number wheel. So the purpose of this is to help children learn counting and number recognition. And today I will show you how to make this. So let's start. The materials needed are cartoon, scissors, double-sided tape, glue, marker, ball pen, stick, and pencil. So let's start. First, cut the cartoon into a circle and two triangle shapes. Cut like this. And use tape to attach the two triangles together. Second step, we add colors using construction paper and attach the cut shapes with tape or glue. I put white color in the circle because I will write a number of it. And I put color yellow of this because it looks nice. Next, cut a circle in this part. Just like this. I remove the yellow construction paper for easier to cut. Then, I attach yellow construction paper again and cut a circle. Step 3. Make a hole. Using pencil, I mark the center of the circle and use stick to penetrate it. So this is what looks like. Next, cut a pieces of a stick. So using a pieces of a stick, the wheel can rotate. I use double-sided tape and put it to the left and right of the base or the triangle so that the wheel can attach. Step 4. Write numbers in the wheel. So just like this. And now, we can rotate the wheel. And here's the finished product. To use this, you must rotate the wheel. So the child reads the number and counts aloud. Like for example, number 1. Let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So numeracy skills enhanced. So it can enhance number recognition, counting, and one-to-one correspondence. Shape match. This is shape match. So the purpose of this is to help children recognize and match shapes. So I will show you how to make this step by step. So let's go. The materials needed are folder, scissors, double-sided tape, marker, glue, and ruler. Step 1. Cut the folder. Cut the part of this folder. I use ruler to make this accurate. And this is what it looks like. Next is draw a line. Draw a line frame in the folder. And draw a line table. As you can see, I divide it into 6 columns. Step 2. Draw a shapes. Draw a shapes of each columns. In this step, I draw a square, circle, triangle, diamond, heart, and rectangle. Step 3. Write the names and cut it. In this step, I write the name of every shape that I draw. I glued the cut-out names of the shapes into orange construction paper, and then I attached them to the drawn shapes. Step 4. Draw a shapes and cut it. In this step, I draw the shapes and I copy exactly what I had drawn on the folder. And then I cut out the shapes. So these are the shapes that I make. Step 4. Add colors. In this step, we must add color to the shapes so that they look nice. I color the heart red, the triangle orange, the rectangle yellow, the square green, the circle purple, and the diamond blue. This is what it looks like. And now, the shape match is all complete. How to use this? So, children will look at the shapes and match it correctly. For example, the box goes here, the circle goes here, and the triangle goes here. So this shape match can enhance skills like shape recognition, matching, sorting and classifying, and spatial awareness. These numeracy materials help children learn numbers and shapes in a fun and engaging way. Remember, learning is more fun when we use creative materials. So, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.